Soren's learning how to build with the blocks. He's learning how to stack them on top of each other instead of knocking them all down. Good job, Soren! Good job. Oh, almost. Yeah! Oh, almost. Yeah, baby. Keep going. Yeah! This is the first time Soren has actually tried building instead of tearing down. Right, baby? Good. Oh, you're trying. These are easier to stack on too. Here, try on there, Soren. Good. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, babe. I know. It's challenging, huh? Are you getting frustrated? Good job, baby. It's okay, Soren. You don't have to give up. Good effort, Soren. Good effort. And he's on to something else. Say bye-bye, Soren. Bye-bye.